Hello everyone, I am Uttarasi from 3rd BSc Microbiology. Today I am going to explain about productions of industrial product alcohol, ethanol and butanol. Introduction. Industrial microbiology is the branch of microbiology that uses microorganisms to produce useful product on large scale. Microorganisms are used to produce alcohol, antibiotic, enzyme, vitamins and organic acid. Alcohol is one of the most important industrial products produced by microbial fermentation. Ethanol and butanol are two major industrial alcohol. The production of industrial alcohol is a economical and environmentally friendly process. Definitions of alcohol. Alcohol is an organic component that contains a hydroxyl group. Industrial alcohol is mainly produced by the microorganism through fermentation. The sugar present in raw material are converted into alcohol by microorganism. Alcohol is widely used in many industries because of its useful chemical properties. Ethanol and butanol are the most important industrial alcohol. Industrial alcohol is produced using renewable agricultural material. Alcohol produce help reduce the dependence on fossil fuel. Types of industrial alcohol, ethanol and butanol. Ethanol is the simplest industrial alcohol. It is produced by the fermentations of sugar by yeast. It is widely used in beverages, pharmaceutical and as a fuel. Butanol is the higher industrial alcohol. It is produced by the fermentations of carbohydrate by Clostridium species. It is used as a solvent in the chemical industry and as a fuel. Ethanol definition. Ethanol is a simple alcohol with the chemical formula C2H5OH. It is clear, colorless and flammable liquid. Ethanol is mainly produced by the fermentation of sugar. Yeast is the most commonly used microorganism for ethanol production. Ethanol is also known as ethyl alcohol. It is one of the most widely produced industrial alcohols. Microorganism used. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is the main microorganism used for ethanol production. This yeast converted sugar into the ethanol and carbon dioxide. It grows rapidly under suitable conditions. It produces a high yield of ethanol. Raw material productions of ethanol. Raw material: molasses, sugarcane juice, corn, wheat, rice, cassava, starch-rich materials. Production process. The raw material are first cleaned and prepared. The sugar solution is sterilized to remove unwanted microorganisms. Yeast is added to the sterilized solution. Fermentation is carried out unwanted controlled condition. During fermentation, sugar is converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide. The ethanol is separated by distillation. The purified ethanol is stored for industrial use. Fermentation uses and advantages of ethanol. Fermentation conditions. The temperature is maintained at 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. The pH is maintained between 4.5 and 5.5. Fermentation usually take 24 to 72 hours. Proper aeration and clean improve the production. Uses of ethanol. Ethanol is used as a biofuel. It is used in alcoholic beverages. It is used to proper medicines. It is used and sanitizer and disinfectant. It is used as perfume and cosmetics. It is used as a laboratory solvent. Advantages of ethanol. It is renewable. It is reduce air pollution. It is environmentally friendly. It can be produced from agriculture waste. Butanol definition. Butanol is a industrial alcohol with the chemical formula C4H9OH. It is produced by bacterial fermentation. Butanol has a high energy content than ethanol. It is considered a good alternative fuel. It is widely used in chemical industry. Microorganism used. Clostridium acetobutylicum is used to produce butanol. This bacterium grows under the anaerobic conditions. Fermentation production, it converts sugar into butanol, acetone and ethanol. Raw material and productions of butanol. Raw material: molasses, corn, sugar beet, cassava, agriculture waste, starch. Production process. The raw material are prepared and sterilized. The bacteria culture is added to the fermentation media. Fermentation is carried out without oxygen. The bacteria produce butanol during fermentation. The products are separated and purified. The purified butanol is stored. Fermentation uses and advantages of butanol. Fermentation condition temperature 30 to 37 degrees Celsius, pH 5.0 to 6.5. Anaerobic conditions are required. Fermentation take 48 to 72 hours. Uses of butanol: use as a biofuel, solvent, paint, plastic, pharmaceuticals, used in the chemical industry. Advantages: high energy value, low water absorption, better engine performance, low environmental pollution. Difference between ethanol and butanol. Features: ethanol, butanol. Formula: C2H5OH, C4H9OH. Microorganism: Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Clostridium azophytolysum. Production: yeast fermentation, bacteria fermentation. Carbon atoms 2, 4. Energy value low, higher. Main use: fuel and beverages, biofuel and industrial chemical. Fermentations condition: aerobic and anaerobic. Anaerobic only. Boiling point: 78.37 degrees Celsius, 117.7 degrees Celsius. Solubility in water: completely soluble, slightly soluble. Odor: mild, pleasant, pungent, unpleasant. Applications of industrial alcohol. Industrial alcohol is used in the pharmaceutical industry, chemical industry, food industry, manufacture cosmetics, proper disinfectant, laboratories, renewable fuel, paint and coating, used in perfumes. Advantages and future scope. Advantage: alcohol production uses renewable resource. It is reduced depends on fossil fuel. It is environmentally friendly. It creates employment opportunity. It is supports sustainable developments. Future scope. Scientists are developed improve microorganism for higher alcohol protection. Agriculture waste can be used more efficiently. Biofuel will be help reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Industrial alcohol production is expected to increase in the future. Conclusion. Ethanol and butanol are important industrial alcohols produced by microorganisms. Ethanol is produced mainly by Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Butanol is produced mainly by Clostridium azotobutylysum. Both alcohols are produced by fermentation using renewable raw material. They are widely used as fuel, solvent and industrial chemicals. Industrial alcohol produce is eco-friendly and support sustainable development. The use of biofuels will continue the increase because they help reduce environmental pollution. Thank you.